eBlue RGB Space House. The eBlue RGB Space House redefines modular living with its versatility and futuristic design. Whether you're lounging at a campground, enjoying a resort getaway, soaking up the sun at the beach, or embracing the tranquility of the woods, this innovative housing solution caters to both personal and commercial needs. From leisurely escapes to business ventures, the Space House adapts seamlessly to any environment. Available in various versions, including the sleek I-shape, measuring 11 by 4 by 3 meters, each tailored to meet diverse needs. Equipped with essential amenities like plumbing, furniture, and lighting, ensuring convenience and comfort. With a design straight out of a sci-fi blockbuster, the Space House exudes luxury and sophistication, evoking visions of Corbin Dallas or Douglas Quaid's futuristic abode. Designed to fit snugly into standard 6 or 12-meter shipping containers, making relocation hassle-free and cost-effective. Experience the epitome of luxury living with the eBlue RGB Space House, a harmonious blend of style, functionality, and innovation, no matter where your adventures take you. 18 wheels. Imagine an ATV that can drive on your lawn without causing any damage. Hard to believe, right? Well, it already exists. The innovative machine from the Finnish company, 18 Wheels, features a unique chassis with 18 individual wheels. Each wheel is equipped with its own small electric motor and suspension system, making off-road driving remarkably smooth and comfortable. Having 18 wheels instead of the standard 4 significantly reduces pressure on the terrain, preserving delicate surfaces like lawns. Moreover, the independent suspension system allows this groundbreaking ATV to effortlessly handle various obstacles. It can traverse rocks up to 14 inches high, overcome fallen trees, and even climb stairs. The developers assert that no existing ATV built on a standard scheme can match this level of off-road capability. Drone Show by Guinness World Records. Until July 4th, the largest drone show took place in the UAE, featuring 673 drones. However, Sky Elements managed to break this record and enter the Guinness World Records during the Independence Day celebrations in the USA. A stunning display involving 1,102 drones lit up the sky over Texas, creating mesmerizing 3D installations. Each image seamlessly transitioned to the next, highlighting significant moments in American history, from the early settlers to the moon landing. All the drones were controlled automatically by a single computer. Preparation at the launch site began 12 hours before the show, with each drone being manually checked and connected to the control center one by one. The final drones were connected just minutes before the start. Despite the meticulous setup, the result was a breathtaking spectacle well worth the effort. Laundry Jet. The Laundry Jet system brings a futuristic touch to an everyday chore by allowing you to send your dirty laundry directly to the laundry room. Inspired by the convenience of pneumatic tubes, this innovative system eliminates the need to collect clothes in a basket or bag and avoids the hassle of carrying them up and down stairs, making it especially useful in places like hospitals or dorms. Laundry Jet is touted as the first vacuum-based laundry transport system of its kind, boasting an impressive range that can send clothes flying up to 122 meters away. To prevent bottlenecks around the laundry chute, you can install up to 8 ports throughout your home or facility. For added convenience, the advanced iSense version allows you to open the ports with just a wave of your hand, making the process as seamless and effortless as possible. Toyota Qs. Another record. The Toyota Q5 basketball-playing robot has been listed in the Guinness World Records as the most accurate basketball-playing robot. This human-sized droid successfully made an astonishing 2,020 consecutive free throws, a remarkable feat compared to NBA star Stephen Curry, whose longest streak of consecutive free throws in a season is 80 taon. Recently, Q5 showcased its dribbling skills at the Ibaraki Robots match. The new model features additional movement axes in its left hand, making its motions smoother and enabling dribbling that was previously impossible. According to the project leader, these advancements allow the robot to handle the ball with unprecedented precision. Equipped with a state-of-the-art system, Q5 determines the distance from its palms to the ball and recognizes its exact position. The robot is programmed to read the ball's position with every bounce and make real-time decisions on how to move its hand accordingly, ensuring optimal dribbling performance. CorPower Ocean C4. CorPower Ocean has introduced its first industrial wave energy converter, the C4. This innovative device, shaped like a large buoy, has a rated power of 300 kilowatts and stands out as a unique wave energy system. It is capable of generating 5 times more energy compared to other power stations of the same type, while costing only a third as much. The C4's housing utilizes an inexpensive multi-layer construction, consisting of composite shells separated by the main material. The buoy floats on the ocean's surface, moving with the waves, and is moored to the seabed. Approximately midway between the buoy and the anchor, a mechanism converts the wave energy from linear motion to rotational, thus generating electricity. The device has already successfully passed initial tests, and the deployment of a wave energy farm in the ocean is planned for the end of this year. This advancement represents a significant step forward in sustainable energy, offering a cost-effective and highly efficient solution for harnessing wave power. Girassol Solar. Heating water in a swimming pool can be a significant expense, but water enthusiasts can save money with the Girassol A1 glass solar pool heating system. This system provides an environmentally friendly and clean source of energy, noted for its practicality and cost-effectiveness. The device features a spiral round shape and is made of special polymer pipes. The collector can heat water up to 93 degrees Fahrenheit and is installed on the roof, capable of withstanding temperatures up to 176 degrees Fahrenheit. Additionally, the system includes special UV protection. The device is fastened with carbon steel brackets coated with an electrostatic field for durability. Solar heating collectors like the Girassol A1 can be installed in residential pools, as well as in pools at sports centers, clubs, and hotels, making it a versatile solution for pool heating needs. DIDIOK makings, Thai 3R. Traditional life preservers weigh around 5 kilograms and are not always easy to throw accurately near a person in distress. DIDIOK makings is revolutionizing emergency services with the TY3R, a hybrid between a life preserver and a drone. This innovative device can take off from water, be remotely controlled from up to 1,100 meters away, and reach speeds of up to 13 meters per second, making it ideal for offshore operations. Designed to withstand winds up to 46 km per hour, for Beaufort scale, and wave heights of up to 2 meters, the TY3R ensures reliable performance in challenging conditions. If the signal is lost, it automatically returns to base, enhancing its reliability. Priced at $11,803, the TY3R is a cutting-edge addition to emergency response equipment, offering unmatched precision and efficiency in life-saving situations. Ferryboat. The Slovenian company Hovercraft has a unique water project, an inflatable ferry capable of carrying up to 5 tons. It's perfect for fishermen, hunters, construction workers, and rescue teams. The vessel itself weighs 200 kilograms and takes about 5 minutes to inflate. Hovercraft claims its double-wall construction prevents tipping, even when loaded to capacity. Additionally, it boasts a shallow draft of 5 cm per ton of cargo, allowing it to navigate safely in shallow waters. Powered by a 5-horsepower outboard electric engine, the ferry can potentially reach speeds of about 48 km per hour with a more powerful engine. permanent marine barriers. The last item in today's selection focuses on booms, which are essential for both garbage collection and oil spill containment. These barriers, developed by the Spanish company Deser, are lightweight yet durable. The floats are constructed from high-strength polyethylene and filled with polyurethane foam. They're designed for easy replacement and attachment to the barrier using stainless steel screws. According to Deser, the barriers perform well in currents and wind, maintaining their integrity even in seawater. They are also ideal for protecting ports and marinas, providing a reliable solution for environmental management and safety.